Gentlemen of the press, let me quickly make a comment or two. First, on the issue of security as were raised, we want you to know that NEC is a structured meeting and that the agenda is prepared ahead of time. But that is not to say that conversations around security are not ongoing. They are going on a daily basis, and we don't need to wait for a structured meeting before we take them on. On the issue of slashing the proposal for flood relief as presented by His Excellency the Governor of Cross River, I want you to know that this is the first time as a nation that we are taking proactive steps. Most of the times we've waited till flood has done its damage before we act. But this time around, under the leadership of the Chairman of Council, Mr. Vice President, we are taking proactive steps to mitigate the possibilities of the flood, which are a perennial issue. Therefore, it's work in progress. We thought that at least we should begin to put things in place. And as we evaluate and assess the situation going forward, Council will definitely make more provisions going forward. But you have to now look at it in the context of the resources available so that you can be able to put in mechanisms in place in a very proactive manner. So that is the essence for which Council decided to reduce it by 50%. And as we get along and evaluate the situation, we'll be able to make more adequate provisions.